Hello everyone, today we have a 2021 Honda Civic Type R with front wheel drive. That is running smooth as could be, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. So it does have the Brembo red brake calipers. Okay, there we go. I had to get to a spot where the sun wasn't hitting the camera. It does have a cargo cover. Spoiler. All right, we'll go ahead and take a tour of the interior. These rear seats are fabric. And there are the red sport seats up front. There's your VIN right there. There are your pedals. Stick shift. All right, as you come down here, you're going to see that it has 4,050 miles on it. Then you come over here, you got your push to talk, your cruise control, push button start. As you come down here, you're going to have your stereo with your sources being AM, FM, Sirius XM. Then you have your Bluetooth, your USBs, your MP3s. There's your map for your navigation. Went through audio. You can connect to your phone. If you want to see the backup camera, go ahead and pop it in reverse. All right, there's your backup camera. Just come down here, you have your shifter, your brake, and then you have your drive modes. And your cup holder, stowage right in here, glove compartment. Go ahead and put our brake back on. As you come up here, you've got your map reading lights. That about wraps it up for this Honda on the interior. Super comfortable seats. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. It was in an accident that resulted in some damage here up front and a little bit on this passenger door. The airbag's deployed, but there was no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.